Damn! Damn!
What are you doing?
I just slit his throat! I just slit his throat! Gotcha. Oh, another one. Come on. Let me get in them guts. Get in them guts. Yeah. Get in them guts. I think I seen another one. Let me put on a pair of pants.
What? Oh, it scared the fuck out of me.
Where'd you go? I heard somebody breathing. What the hell? Grandpa woke up. Oh, hey, what's up?
Oh, he heard him.
Oh, he's yelling. He's yelling. He's getting active. What's good, Granddad? Granddad. What the hell? Why would you do that? I'm feeding Granddad. Get your ass out of my face, please. Here you go, Granddad.
I'm so confused.
Bro, get off my weenie, please.
You can change your camera angle too.
Leatherface, help me find them. Stop following me.
I want to play as a victim this time.
Hello? What are they doing to Grandpa? They're trying to get him. Kill him. Kill him dead. Holy fuck, why am I lagging this hard? Oh, I found somebody. Come here. Come here. Come here. Granddad, where do you see him at? Let me see if... Come on.
Well, someone's thirsty.
Stop running.
Somebody disconnected.
Take this now. It'll perk you right up.
There he is.
Oh shit!
Oh! Damn! Damn!
What are you doing?
I just slit his throat! I just slit his throat! Get fucked up. I just slit his throat open.
I mixed him up.
I mixed him up. Yeah!
Authorities say an unidentified.
Alright. Big dog. Grandpa's already up. Vroom, vroom. Come on now. Bust it down, bust it down. God, this really cannot take this long. Come on. Come on. Oh, hello. Come here. Come here, let me get in them guts. Ooh, let me get in them guts. Let me get in them guts. Come here. Oh, there it is. See, let me get in them guts. Come on. Alright. That's one that bit the dust. Why is nobody helping old granddad, man? Alrighty.
Big fella!
Ooh! Gotcha. Oh, another one. Come on. Let me get in them guts. Get in them guts. Yeah. Get in them guts. I think I seen another one. Oh. Hello. Oh, I can't climb. Damn it. And the third one. Third guy's upstairs. I repeat, third guy is upstairs. I'm on his ass right now. I'm on his ass. And there goes the third one. Oh, he got her. Yep, I think Sanford getting got. Yep. And there she goes. Yeah, brum brum. Brum brum. Right here. Alright, right off the bat. I was about to say is hopefully I can have a decent game as the cook, because it's not been going too well, but I tried.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Found your stupid dumb ass. If only I could run faster than a goddamn slug. Potentially would be, but I'm not, so.
Here you go, Grandpa. Here you go. This'll catch him.
Hey. Come here.
Over here.
Whoa, dude. There he is. Damn it. That's a lot down. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Somebody get Grandpa. Why is nobody helping him? Get him! Oh. There it is. Yeah, come here. Crack his noggin. Cracked him in his dome piece.
I know much enjoy being violent, but I got no choice here.
Cracked him in his dome piece. Got one.
Yeah, there she is.
Got
That's
her
the one I was
ass.
looking for. Alright, go fill up Grandpa whenever you're done.
Gotcha.
I told you I was tired of hollering at you.
Got her, dumbass.
Nice job, guys.
Thank you, thank you. Use your hearing ability if you can.
Yeah, I'm using it. I think I'm getting a lot from upstairs.
Alright, I'm heading upstairs then. I'm gonna check the fuse box. Yep, one's on the fuse box. It's the Sunny. Hit him twice. He's at one of the corners. He's just abusing the damn. Alright,
Where, upstairs?
He's just abusing one of the crawl holes. Yep, get his ass.
That does not look very pleasant.
Missing string, table, and tree.
I can't count on no one around here.
Good,
GG's.
GG.
Yup, hold on. Get up in them guts! Get up in them guts! There we are. All up in them guts. Hello! Oh, my fault. Shit. Hell, man.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
Get her. Yup, get in them guts.